Dito lang sa Buko. Buko eksklusibong mapapanood sa Signal at Satellite Channel 2. Available on Signal Play.
Sobrang nagpapasalamat po kami sa mga prayers and support nyo, papa-online, papa-live. So maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat and thank you dahil nakapunta po kayo dito. Thank you, RJ. We'll let you enjoy the rest of the second half of Game 1.
Thank you for having us for the this whole kind of event. This whole atmosphere is like really good, great, and hope you guys enjoy for the V League at the Filipinas Live and One Sports Plus. Thank you.
We're happy to have the Japan League on Filipinas Live because it is a league that Filipinos follow because of the level of competition and the representation of Pinoy athletes. So to watch the rest of the B-League finals and more sports content that Filipinos love, download and register through the Filipinas Live app. Watch B-League, enjoy Signal TV channels, stream shows, and download apps in the new Signal Play TV. One hub for everything else.
We are proud to announce that Signal Play TV Android box is now available at select SM branches. Watch out for more promotions in the next few days here only at SM.